Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Rukaya_Healthy Living. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Like, share and also please leave your comments down below. Thank you. One in every 8 individuals in India is considered to be a diabetic. So what is diabetes mellitus? Diabetes mellitus is a chronic metabolic disorder that prevents the body to utilize glucose completely or partially, which results in raised glucose concentration levels in the blood, and this leads to an alteration in the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. It's caused mainly due to the failure in the formation of insulin. Now, insulin is produced by the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans by the pancreas. Coming to the types of diabetes, there are three main types of diabetes. Type 1, which is also known as the juvenile onset diabetes, type 2, which is also known as the adult onset diabetes, and gestational diabetes. Discussing the different types of diabetes in detail. Type 1, also known as the juvenile onset diabetes, patients depend on insulin, and as the name suggests, juvenile onset, it's something which occurs in the younger age group because there is an inability of the pancreas to produce adequate amounts of insulin. It may be caused by a virus or it is an autoimmune disorder. Child is usually underweight in this condition. The second type of diabetes is also known as the adult type of diabetes. Patients do not depend on insulin in this type of diabetes. Insulin is produced by the pancreas here, but the action is relatively impaired. It occurs mostly in adults and the person is usually overweight in this condition. Coming to the third most common type of diabetes, gestational diabetes is the type of diabetes which affects women during their gestational period, that is during their period of pregnancy, which usually goes off after the pregnancy terminates or comes to an end, and such women are more prone to developing diabetes post age of 40. So what causes diabetes? There are 7 prominent causes of diabetes: genetics, infection, stress, lifestyle, age, abdominal fat, and pregnancy. Let us discuss each briefly. Genetics. It has been estimated that over 50% of the heritability is contributed by the HLA class II gene, chromosome 6. Infection. Infections cause a non-specific outpouring of this hormone which antagonizes the insulin action and then may trigger the onset of this disorder. Stress. Body releases adrenaline, noradrenaline and cortisol hormones that raises the blood glucose levels to provide a quick source of energy for coping with stress. In acute causes of stress, blood glucose levels may rise quite profoundly, and in extreme cases, diabetic ketosis and coma may result partially among those with a genetic predisposition. Physical injury, surgery, and emotional distress sometimes precede the first symptoms of diabetes. Lifestyle. Type 2 diabetes is associated with people who are obese and underactive, usually due to wrong eating practices and no physical activity. Age. It has been found that this disease is mostly found in people who are elderly or who belong in the middle-aged group bracket. Half of all the cases of type 2 diabetes occurs in people over the age of 45. Abdominal fat. People with a high waist to hip ratio indicating that fat is largely in the abdominal cavity have a greater risk of diabetes than people with a similar amount of fat distributed in the peripheral region. Pregnancy. During normal pregnancy, the levels of plasma insulin is raised by the action of placental hormones, thus resulting in putting a burden on the insulin secreting cells of the pancreatic islets. The term gestational diabetes refers to hyperglycemia occurring for the first time during pregnancy.